All right, let's go on to the next one. I can't tell if the item will actually be flattering for my figure. Again, what is your body shape? If a lot of people who come to my office don't know what their body shape is, and once they know that, everything just starts to click for them. I know I sound like a robot because I said that previously, but baby, I style people. Even though you guys are not seeing it, but everybody doesn't want to be famous. Everybody doesn't want their face plastered on the internet. But when you know your body shape, I swear to you, you will know what will work. You will start to peel off time in the morning. Things will really just be very effective and efficient. I really work with people who just don't want to spend a lot of time or want to be stressed out with their wardrobe. When you know your body shape, you will eliminate so much. This looks good, but will this work? I shared this story the last time, but there was a designer that I met going to the textile, and it looked good on her, but she is very petite, very slim, and I am someone who has thighs and a butt. It's not like wide, but I have a thighs and a butt. So the outfit, even though it was nice on her, she can have all the draping and detailing at the bottom. For me, I mean, not at the bottom. Yeah, at the bottom, but the bottom as well as like the middle portion. But for me, it's a little bit on the iffy side because that's not the area that I need to bring attention to, as well as her sizing measurements. As I mentioned before, every designer, every brand has a different measuring, and she said the size, but I'm like, but you need to kind of be a little bit more. She was saying it. This is me talking to her in person, and I'm like, yeah, no, I need to try it on. And as I did try it on, it didn't look right. That is why I wanted to bring that example up. She was very petite. I saw it looked really, really good on her. She crafted that very beautiful jumpsuit, but on me, no. And I kind of had that feeling, but designers design clothes, but stylists, like I'm a fashion consultant, I'm a certified image consultant, I create the look. So the logistics of your look and putting things together and looking at the intricate details, that is what I do. And with me knowing my body shape, I already knew that it was not going to work. Even before she said, well, let me bring it so you could try it on. She didn't really have the full details. And I'm just like, sweetheart, do you see my body? My body is different from yours. Like, oh, it's gonna look good. Like you have killer legs. No, that's not the point, sweetheart. Like that's not the point. You're just trying to sell me some. But I know what flatters my body because I know what my body shape is, where I need to bring the attention to, where I need to take away attention to, colors that flatter me, X, Y, and Z. I promise you it will eliminate so much to driving this home. It will eliminate so much. Know what your body shape is. It's very important.